Forget about the notion of robots conquering the planet. Artificial intelligence, AI, is an amazing technology designed to make computers behave in ways that mimic human intelligence. It can tackle tasks we usually associate with our brains: learning, reasoning, and problem solving. Imagine a computer that learns as you do, adapting and evolving through experience. This is the essence of AI, manifesting itself in our everyday lives. From smart playlists suggesting your next favorite tune to aiding healthcare professionals in diagnosing illnesses, AI has woven itself into the fabric of modern living, enhancing the way we function. AI's learning process is fascinating. It's powered by algorithms that serve as step-by-step instructions for computers. Picture teaching a dog a new trick, except this time, you're dealing with vast amounts of intricate data. A prime illustration of this is ChatGPT, which learns from extensive text datasets, enabling it to produce human-like dialogues, thus transforming the way we interact with technology. The impact of AI is undeniable and is actively reshaping our world. Self-driving vehicles, once mere science fiction, are becoming a tangible reality due to AI's prowess in processing and interpreting real-time information. Additionally, it revolutionizes industries, particularly in healthcare, where AI assists doctors by providing quick and precise diagnoses. Looking ahead, the future of AI brims with potential. As researchers explore cutting-edge developments, AI continues to address complex societal issues, from climate change to medical breakthroughs. While the advancements are thrilling, it's essential to remain mindful of the ethical implications and societal impacts, ensuring we steer AI towards a positive future for all.